Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sea of Thieves. First, ensure you have the game installed on your Xbox console or PlayStation 5. Upon launching, you will create your pirate character, choosing their appearance and initial clothing. Next, you'll enter the open world, ready to embark on your first adventure. You can choose to sail alone or invite up to 3 friends to form a formidable crew. The game offers a vast ocean to explore. Understanding your ship is crucial for success on the high seas. A sloop is ideal for 1 or 2 pirates, offering agility. For 2 or 3 players, a brigantine provides a good balance of speed and firepower. If you have a full crew of 4, the powerful galleon is your best choice. Master raising and lowering sails, dropping anchor, and firing cannons. Effective communication with your crew is vital for navigating dangers and achieving victory. To begin your pirate journey, head to any outpost and speak with representatives from the trading companies. They offer various voyages, such as hunting for buried treasure, battling skeleton crews, or transporting valuable cargo. When encountering other ships, prepare for thrilling combat. Utilize your cannons for long-range attacks and consider boarding enemy vessels for close-quarters sword fighting. Practice your aim with firearms to defeat foes on land and sea. As you complete voyages and sell your hard-earned loot, you will accumulate gold and reputation. Gold allows you to purchase a wide array of cosmetic items, from new outfits for your pirate to custom sails and hull designs for your ship. Gaining reputation with the trading companies unlocks new titles and eventually leads to legendary status. Continuously explore the vast ocean, as hidden secrets and unique encounters await discovery around every corner.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.